Hi, today I'm going to be making a little gift box with a little pop-up card on it. It is super cute. Stick around and see how it is assembled. I've already pre-cut it out. I've used a Silhouette Cameo 4. It was just the little gift box that came on the system. So yeah, let's get to it. So I've got all the pieces out and I'm just gluing the parts together. So I'm starting on what I believe is the gift box that the whole thing goes inside of. I'm just gluing the pieces there. I love paper craft, it's so cool. Gluing them all together. So with this one, I didn't find the instructions. I'm just learning as I'm going. So you can come along for the ride and learn with me. I'm folding down the insert of the little gift box now. It's such a little cute gift box. It would be perfect for jewelry, or even like a little key ring would look really cool. That would be really cool in there. It's not a huge box, it's a little box, as you can see. So it'd have to be a little gift, but it's super cute and super easy to make. I'm using little craft pegs to hold my work together while it is drying. They are super, super handy, so I suggest grabbing some of those. You can get them from any sort of craft shop or $2 shop, anything like that. You can pick up a packet of those. I think those ones cost me $2.50. Well worth it. So now I'm sticking on the little card part there. It goes on top of the box. I should have cut that little piece out in the yellow, but I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure what part it was when I was cutting. So this is a Silhouette from Silhouette. It's a fantastic, fantastic machine, and the program that comes along with it is awesome as well. What sort of cutting machine do you use? I'm popping on the little flags on the banner. Now I haven't got my craft scissors with me, so I couldn't cut the little extra bits of string off because the scissors I had there weren't sharp enough to do it smoothly. Now I've actually glued that piece on in the wrong spot. You'll see in a moment. I'm going to take it off and fix it. It all lies flat to go into that little yellow gift box you can see in the back. I'm just gluing on the little strips on the side. Gluing them on. See, that goes inside there. So cute. It doesn't fit there. Hangs out there, so I've just figured out I've glued it down in the wrong spot and I needed to move it. I'm going to get it out and re-glue it in where it's supposed to sit. It's just really quick, really easy, fun little project to do. Perfect coming up to Christmas. If you've got some gifts, little gifts that you've got for friends and family, this would be a perfect little box to put them in. Not right out of frame there, but there we go. So it's in the right spot now. And you can just pop that into the little box when you're finished. You can wrap it with some string or some ribbon. I just had some string there, so I'm just wrapping it with some string just to show you how it's supposed to look when it's all done. So that's it, all finished. Super, super cute, super easy, fun gift.